Introduction. Welcome back to Alamrinco Skills. In a world where machines think, learn, and perform tasks independently, we're about to unveil the incredible realms of robotics and artificial intelligence. Get ready to dive into a future shaped by these remarkable technologies. 1. What is robotics? At its core, robotics is the science of designing, building, and operating robots, intelligent machines that can perform tasks autonomously. From manufacturing floors to healthcare facilities, robots are becoming an integral part of our everyday lives, revolutionizing the way we work and interact. With technology, these mechanical marvels, equipped with sensors and actuators, are capable of accomplishing tasks without direct human intervention, boosting efficiency and precision. 2. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, serves as the cognitive powerhouse behind these robots. It's a branch of computer science that empowers machines to simulate human-like thinking and decision-making processes. Just like a brain, AI enables robots to analyze data, recognize patterns, and adapt to different situations. Think of it as the technology that turns robots into intelligent entities. 3. Robots and AI. Perfect match. The synergy between robots and AI is truly captivating. AI provides robots with superhuman capabilities. They can perceive the world through sensors, process information, and make informed decisions in real time. Imagine robots in factories that can precisely sort items, or drones that navigate complex environments with AI-guided precision. 4. Real-life magic. Applications. Now, let's explore the enchanting applications of these technologies in our world. Factories. In manufacturing, robots are revolutionizing production lines. They assemble intricate components with unmatched speed and precision, reducing errors and increasing output. Healthcare. In the realm of healthcare, surgical robots lend their steady hands to assist surgeons in delicate procedures. AI-powered diagnostic tools analyze medical images to identify diseases at early stages. Space. Even beyond our planet, AI comes into play. Rovers equipped with artificial intelligence are our eyes and ears on distant planets, uncovering mysteries and paving the way for interstellar exploration. 5. Challenges and responsibility. While these advancements open doors to a world of possibilities, they also bring forth challenges that need careful consideration. The introduction of robots may disrupt certain job markets, but it also creates new opportunities for us to explore innovative roles. Additionally, ensuring the ethical use of AI is paramount. Bias in AI algorithms and data privacy concerns must be addressed for a responsible AI future. 6. Tomorrow's marvels. Picture a world where robots work alongside us, not to replace, but to enhance our capabilities. Imagine robots cleaning our oceans, exploring the far reaches of space, and performing surgeries remotely. 7. Fun experiment. Die robot. Let's get hands-on and build a simple robot ourselves. By applying basic AI principles, we'll teach it to follow lines and engage in rudimentary decision-making. This experiment will give you a taste of how AI is integrated into even the simplest of robotics projects. 8. Conclusion. A new era. As we wrap up our exploration, remember that we stand on the brink of a new era. The collaboration between robotics and AI is reshaping industries and redefining human-machine interactions. The responsibility lies with us to harness the power of these technologies for the greater good, while addressing challenges with wisdom and empathy. 9. Let's connect. If you found this journey through